The HP67 black/tricolor ink cartridges are a 2-pack containing one black and one tricolor cartridge. These cartridges are compatible with a number of HP DeskJet and Envy printers, including the 1255, 2700, 4100, 6000 and 6400 series. Here are some additional details about the HP67 black/tricolor ink cartridges. Page yield: approximately 120 pages for black ink and 100 pages for tricolor ink, based on ISO/IEC 24711 or HP testing methodology and continuous printing. Actual yield may vary depending on the content of your printed pages and other factors. Ink type: pigment-based, black, and dye-based, tricolor instant ink eligible, yes. Replacing the cartridges is a simple process. Here's a general guide. Power on your printer and locate the cartridge door. It's usually on the front of the printer. Open the cartridge door and wait for the printhead to move into position, if applicable. Remove the empty cartridge by gently pressing down on it and pulling it out. Unwrap the new cartridge and remove any protective stickers. Identify the black and tricolor cartridges. Slide the appropriate cartridge into the designated slot until it clicks into place. Repeat steps 4 and 5 for the other cartridge. Close the cartridge door and your printer should automatically recognize the new cartridges. If you're looking for replacement ink cartridges for your HP DeskJet or Envy printer, the HP67 black/tricolor ink cartridges are a good option. You can find them at many online and brick-and-mortar retailers. Here are some places where you can buy HP67 black/tricolor ink cartridges. HP, HP.com. Amazon, Amazon.com.